Hi, my beautiful friends, and welcome back to my Merry Christmas countdown. Holy smokes, the days are ticking by so quickly, and I can't believe it. Christmas is almost here. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss checking in with you every day. But today is for you. Yes, that person who the days have just run out of time. You've been so busy. I totally get it. And you're like, oh my gosh, I have to buy for X, Y, and Z, and I don't know what to do. Well, I got you covered because I'm actually being a little elf for somebody today. So I'm headed into Winners because I need to find a gift for 3 people around the budget mark of like $50. And it can be like a mix of everything, kind of like a gift basket. So I'm gonna take you right along with me. I'm gonna do this gift basket for this someone and be a little elf, but I'm also gonna show you how this gift basket can be for young, for old, guys, girls, boys, girls, it doesn't matter, everybody in between. So I'm gonna help you out. So you wanna get your pen and paper, relax, pour yourself a cup of coffee, even a glass of wine, or add some Baileys to that coffee. Okay, you relax, I got you covered, I'll do the shopping for you. So click that subscribe button, you don't wanna miss out. Let's head inside to Winners and check off that to-do list. Okay, first question is, what are you going to give the gift in? If it's a gift basket, we got some great baskets, boxes, but I'm gonna check out the bags here. The reusable bags, let's see what they have. Okay, this is perfect because I am buying for 2 teens and a younger one. So maybe I'll go with this vibe. How much are these? These are $6.99. And this is reusable? Yes, please. I got these adorable bags, $6.99. I got this one, it says Merry. And then for the older people I'm buying for, this cool black and white one says Merry Christmas. And then love this leopard print bag, so cool. First place we're headed is socks, specifically cozy socks. Everybody loves the snuggly socks. They have them here at Winners for boys, girls, men, and women. So let's check out what I can find. This 2-pack would go good with that leopard print bag. Okay, look at these fuzzy bench socks. Those are so cute, $10. Next up, the hair accessories. I always have the best stuff here. Look at this beauty spa headband and little wristlets that you keep dry, $10. It's cute, little cozy sock and foot cream set for $8. That's great. Okay, they have so many great lip kits, especially holiday theme ones. Look at this 3-pack of lip oil. What else can we find? Little My Little Pony for $12. Look at this, Twizzlers flavored lip glosses for $6.99. Look, and it's shaped like a Twizzler. Love that. That's hilarious. All this. They have some great stuff. Lip butter collections. I decided to go with this 3-pack of lip oils for $10. Okay, look at this. They have this great 4-pack of body sprays. So what if I just bought this? This is $20 and split it up. Okay, potential. But look, they also have Grinch body sprays. Okay, I'm gonna pick up a body spray, just not sure which one yet. I have the best sheet masks here, eye patches, pimple patches. But look at this cute one from the Cream Shop. Soother Super Soothe sheet mask, $7.99, great price point. Okay, look at this lip care collection set. You get lip scrubs and tinted lip balms. This is $13 from the Cream Shop. This set of 3 sheet masks for $7.99. Perfect, I can put 1 in each. Guys, check out this super cool kit here. You get 6 loofahs. This is $10. That's a great price. Okay, they have lots of different men's grooming tools. They have lots of different men's grooming tools, massage rollers. Look at this 8-pack of razors. Now, these specific gift bags that I'm buying are for girls, but you can make this for guys. So instead of this, you can get like a lip balm or like a men's body spray. You can get men's socks. Instead of this, maybe get some loofahs. Okay, now I'm gonna head to the jewelry. Now they got some great like monogram jewelry, but looking for men, they also have great watches. They have great bracelets for men as well. Just gotta poke around a little bit and you're gonna find something. You know how I feel about journals and planners. It's always a big yes for me, but like, look at this. Happiness of checking things off. That'd be cute to put in a stocking. That's for $15. They got really, really cute like little notepads here for $7. Look at all that. Oh my gosh, look at Hello Kitty little pencil cases. That'd be cute. Oh, look at these. Get these, $10. Why don't we get some like cute pens? and a little notepad. Okay, we're gonna add that. Kids, look at this LCD drawing board. Ava has one of these. These are so great. So if you want to get the older ones, like a notepad or something, you can get the little one. This one, this is $12.99. It's cute notebooks, not my first rodeo, $10. From William and Morris, look at this beautiful journal, pen, and bookmark set. That is gorgeous. Only for $13. This cute little journal, a journal on self-discovery, the new era of me. This is $8, and there's little prompts inside. So great for teens. Okay, for kids too, like if some of that stuff is a little bit too old, like the lip oils, look, they got flavored lip glosses here for kids. So cute. If you want to get them more like a geared towards kids stationery set, look at this, pencils, erasers, and a cute little pencil sharpener. That is so adorable. That's only $8. They got really great sets. They got bracelet sets. Look at this little Hello Kitty pouch, keep on shining. They have so many cute things. Little hair elastics for kids. You can definitely make a kit for $50 here. Look, they have Frosty the Snowman mugs. Aren't they so cute? This is Ray Dunn, $12. Love this. They also have Buddy the Elf by Ray Dunn. Look at this great Elsa mug by Ray Dunn, $13. Okay, any Nightmare Before Christmas fans, look at this mug and tea infuser gift set, $13. Look at these giant containers of sweets. Oh my goodness. Sour blue hearts, berries. These are $13. Hey, my beautiful friends, I hope that this video gave you some ideas. Come to Winners, pick up a little sack, even just like go to the dollar store, pick up a box. You can come to Winners and find some great stuff that are actually things that people are going to use, not just throw away. So don't worry, you got this. And if all else fails, grab a gift card to Winners. I know I'd love that. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.